Hello friends, this is unit 4, that is design engineering. In that, object oriented design concepts, that means here OO design concepts, that is design classes, entity classes, boundary classes, controller classes, inheritance, where all responsibilities of a superclass is immediately inherited by all subclasses. Messages stimulate some behavior to occur in the receiving object. Polymorphism, a characteristic that greatly reduces the effort required to extend the design. Here are the design classes. First one is boundary classes. In that, analysis classes are refined during design to become entity classes, and boundary classes that are developed during design to create the inheritance. For example, interactive screen or printed reports that the user sees and interacts with as the software. Boundary classes defines how the entity objects are represented to users. Controller classes are designed to manage the criteria or updation of entity objects. The instantiation of boundary objects as they obtain information from entity objects. Complex communication between set of objects, validation of data communicated between objects or between the user and the application. Here are the design model and elements. The process dimensions, analysis model, design model. This diagram gives the clear understanding about requirements, constraints, interoperability, targets, and configurations. The process dimensions denotes various software tasks that get executed as the part of the software process. The abstract dimension represents level of details as each element of analysis model is transformed into design equivalent. In analysis model, UML diagrams are abstract. In design model, UML diagrams are refined and elaborated. Thanks for watching the video.